Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. So, if you're new here, I'm your Baklang Hospitality Management student, dancer, content creator, and intern in Europa Park, Germany. So, kung napapansin nyo, nasa labas ako ngayon. Ayan no. Gusto niyo ba makita yung fit check ko ngayon? Kaya nga ako nasa labas ngayon. Kasi pupunta ako sa Freiburg. This is just a sudden gala lang to actually. Because today is my day off and I'm alone. Ayan oh, mag-isa lang ako. I'm alone. But my colleagues are already in Freiburg. So sabi ko, susunod ako because I want to explore as well. Because hindi naman pwedeng sa day off natin palaging nasa kwarto na lang tayo humihiga. Ayan, nakagayak tayo oh. Kahit na ang init-init, naka-jacket pa rin si bakla. Kasi sobrang harsh talaga ng init dito sa Germany. Like, what the frick? Ay, mapapaganon ka na lang ba? Like, dito matalab ang sunscreen, day. Like, super init talaga. Like, nangingitim ang bakla. Like, iskala. Kaya ba? Kaya ka ba dyan? Ayan, guys. Look at my fit check. Skechers slip-ons. Shein pants. Shein jacket. Fit check. Ayan siya. What do you think of my fit? Sabihin mong pangit? Ay, day, hindi ka gaganyan. O, tinan mo, gaganto ako dito. Hello? Fit check, oh. It's currently 12:36 p.m. and the bus Sige, wag na. Ay! Ang dami kasing mga ano dito, day. This is my first time leaving my apartment alone. Ay, oh my God, kinakabahan ako pero nai-excite ako kasi what if mawala ako, di ba? Ha! Wag na. Ang daming wow. Ang dami. Like, what the frick? Tsaka gusto ko na kasi magpagupit. Kasi tingnan nyo naman ang buhok ng bakla. Ano ba? Ano ba? Ano ba? Ang dami talagang mga alibubot ba? Para bang over. Hi everybody! I'm already in Freiburg and I'm now walking on the way sa restaurant na pagkikitaan namin ng mga colleagues ko. They're already waiting for me. And oh my God, it's currently... Wait. They're calling. Wait a minute. Naglalag ata phone ko. What the heck? Sign na ba to na bibili na ako ng bagong phone? Tingnan mo. Hindi siya nagana. Kanina pa yan ganyan. Teka lang Guys, oh my gosh. It is so hot. And kung nagtataka kayo kung bakit mainit at bakit ako naka-jacket, wala kayong pakialam, okay? I'm already here, guys. Look who I'm with. Look at them. Hi. Here they are. Hi, guys. Yes. So, this is J-Lord. This is Pedro Penduko. And this is Alexa. Anong plano niyong bibilhin? May pinamartin na pag-gastos ng 40. Hello. Yeah, done. Wow. Look at my food, guys. What? Wow, it only costs 14 euros. Asan ako kukuha ng chopstick? Wag na kumain. Excuse me. Can I have some chopsticks? Okay. Thank you. Okay. So good. Ayan na sila, guys. Nagkwekwentahan na sila kasi ang dami nilang in-order kanina. Dito matetest ang kanilang pagiging magkaibigan.
35.
Ang inang yan. Di ba pag plus 30 cents, 83, gagawin mo 35. Hindi naman sasarado mo pa 600 yung pera,
Oh my goodness. Buti na lang di ako kumain ng manok nila. Kasi masasali ako dyan. Sabi ni Pedro, DIY daw yung gupit niya. Look at his hair.
Hi, it was a DIY.
And we told him, we can tell that it's DIY. In Germany. Napapaligiran ako ng mga pogi. How are you? This is Pedro. The shoes, the pants, the shirt, the face.
I never had a friend that was an influencer. I don't know how to react.
I'm not an influencer. I'm just a content creator. There's a difference. I'm a bad influence. I'm not an influencer. What I'm gonna influence people is to use to be active in okay. Pinapaligiran ako ng pogi, be. Good check. We're now in TK and Maxx. Look, I'm buying some 2 shirts. What are you buying? Wow, daming pera.
I think they go to 6.
Yes. You're not gonna buy this? Okay, I'm good. 3 polos, it's good. We just bought our first shirts. J-Lord, where's yours? Yes. Parang baliw tong kasama namin. Sabi, tell him, parang baliw tong kasama namin.
What is that meaning?
No, J-Lord is parang baliw.
J-Lord is parang baliw.
What? The? Baliw.
So fast.
Baliw.
Baliw.
Para baliw.
Saan?
Titi.
Oh my God! We're buying ice cream. How much though? Mura lang pala. 2 euros per scoop. There we go.
I. Okay, no, stop.
I bought tiramisu ice cream. It costs 4 euros. Holy shit! $0.65 of water. Guys, look at my hair! First haircut in Germany. What do you think? Just the usual mid-fade. It's clean and everything. I like it. I think I ate some hair. Guys, we just finished buying clothes from H&M. But look at what we found. Look at that! Wow! This is the Freiburg Minster. Wow. Look how amazing that one. That looks good.
Yeah,
It's so beautiful. And it's like a street market. Is this a street market?
it's kind of a festival or something.
A festival?
Because of summer.
Should we check? What do you think? The bus leaves at 8 p.m. Ito na po yung pinoproblema ng mga bading. Wala na pong bus papuntang bahay namin. So right now, naghahanap kami ng solution kung paano kami umuwi. There's gonna be train stations. The train station is open until 1 a.m. But there's gonna be no bus anymore from the train station to our home. So we're thinking, what if we get an Uber? No, that's not walking distance. Nasa 2.5 hours siya pag nilalakad. So nakapag-desisyon na ang mga tao. We've already decided. Daming pogi. Nabubusog yung mata ko. Charing. Ang sasakyan namin train station is 9 p.m. Then we're gonna stop in Ringsheim. And then it's either we take the Uber from Ringsheim to our home, which cost around 22 euros only. Or if walang mag-a-accept na Uber, we're gonna go to Tipi Town because there's gonna be a shuttle that comes around 11:10 p.m. Yeah, good plan. Because we were thinking we're already here, so you know, might as well. Okay, you stay there. You stay there because we're gonna take some pictures.
Ang ina, parang bata may green.
Say hi, Pedro. Dito tayo gawa ng TikTok, yung pinakita ko sa'yo kanina. Walang tao. Walang tao. Sige na. Itong si J-Lord ayaw gawa ng TikTok. May araw pa talaga dito, Mang. We're now taking pictures. Eto na ang mga nagbabagang balita. Wait. Candid taray ako. Pagit na, at ano mo ka Mang? Kaganon. Shit! Oh, sorry. Look at my Prada bag. Bought by my mom. Thanks, Mom. Pedro is camera shy. Yeah? I'm gonna let you talk to the people. You don't know what to say?
I don't know what to say.
Me too. Pedro Rodriguez. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, Rodriguez. Look at them. And Pedro Rodriguez is how old?
23.
What?
23.
23. We're the same. 23 years old. And you live in?
Germany.
Germany. Yeah, that's it. I don't know what to say.
There's nothing.
Okay, we're now at the train station. I don't think that I can speak out loud because we're now at the train station. Yeah, it's almost 9 p.m. The bus leaves around 9. So, we took a lot of pictures. We bought a lot of clothes with our own money. It's nice to say that we bought clothes with our own money. It's fun to buy some things out of your own pocket, especially when you worked hard for it. Right? Di ko alam kung maganda ba tong vlog na to or walang kwenta, pero sana panoorin nyo pa rin, di ba? This was a lot of firsts in Freiburg. My first time to ride train in Germany. My first time to have my hair cut in Germany as well. A lot of firsts. First time eating Korean food in Germany as well. That's something. Oh, the train is leaving now. We're now going. Look at that. Hindi ko pa masyado nakahasa kung paano talaga mag-commute dito because there are times na medyo nakakaliti yung mga signs and everything. But it is accessible because they have this app called the DB app where you can buy all the tickets there and they're gonna provide all the itinerary that you need to follow. We just had one like minor inconvenience earlier. We don't have a bus anymore on the way to home. It's already weekend and that's just the minor inconvenience. But still, everything was worth it. So we'll see.